Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I got messages from many of you telling me I'm a beginner, but I cannot make any sales. I cannot make money with affiliate marketing. How can I start making sales? How can I start making money with affiliate marketing in 2022 as a beginner? Well, today I'm going to show you a method that many beginners are using because this method works. And this method is free. You don't have to invest any money. But to be honest with you, you will need to invest some time and you will need to invest some work in this method. But this method works. So with that being said, let's start. You can apply this method on Clickbank, on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Kickstarter or any other affiliate network. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. And that can be any niche you want, but you must stick to that niche. That is really important for this method. Second thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. But for this example, we will actually not go on marketplaces on these affiliate networks. We will actually go on Munch.ai. And here on Munch.ai, you can see products that are not yet launched. These products only needs to be launched. And here you can see big launches, here you can see all launches, and here you can see just launched. And there are actually two reasons why you wish to promote these products here. Reason number one is because these products are not yet launched. That means that there is not that much competition and competition is not that strong. So even if you are absolute beginner, you are just starting, you can still make sales, you can still make money. And the reason number two is because these products are not yet launched. Many of these products, about 60-70% of them, maybe even 80% of them, will give you access to these products so you can review these products, you can make videos, you can test them, you can see pros and cons and so on in order to promote these products. On the other hand, if you promote products that are 3, 4, 5 years old that are very popular, you will actually need to buy those products in order to test them. And like I said, many of these products, 60-70% of these products here will actually give you full access for free so you can test them. Those are two really important reasons why you wish to promote these products here. And now when you choose one of these products, now you need to actually write a review of that product. So for example, let's say this one here, Todd Gross, Mobile Verse Takeover. When you click here, you will get a bit more information about this product. Here you can see who is the vendor, that is the person who actually created this product, name of this product, and here you can see date of launch. And here you can see as an affiliate, you can earn $37 per sale. Affiliate commission is 50%. And this product will be live on JVZoo. Okay? And like I said, now you need to write a review of this product. Writing a review for this product won't be that hard because, like I said, there is a big chance that this guy here, Todd Gross, will give you full access to this product so you can test it and you can write a review. And actually, when you copy this, Control C, and when you go on Google and paste it here and add review, and click search, you will see that there are already many people who actually reviewed this product. And when you actually check out these websites here, you will see that these websites are all low authority websites, which means even if you just created your own blog, even if you just created your own website, you have still a good chance to rank on first page on Google. Because like I said, these are all low authority websites. And if you don't have money to invest in domain registration, in web hosting, what you can do is you can actually publish those reviews on Vocal Media. Vocal Media is exactly the same like medium.com. And Vocal Media have a huge authority on Google, which means if you publish your reviews of those products on Vocal Media, you can easily outrank all of these guys here and you will be getting most of the traffic. Your Vocal Media articles will be getting most of the traffic from Google and you will start making sales, you will start making money. And because these products are not yet launched, that means that there are not that many people who actually search for these products, and that is why competition is low and it's not that strong. And some of these products will become a big thing, some of these products won't. Some of these products will get you no traffic at all. Some of these products will get you 5 to 10 visits per day. Some of these products will get you 50 to 100 visits per day. And that means you will be getting 300, 400, 500 visits per day eventually in 3 or 4 months. That is 15,000 visits every month. And you can make 3, 4, 5 sales every day. That is 150 sales every month. And you will actually make 150 sales every month from 15,000 visits, because this is a highly targeted traffic, because these people actually wish to buy that product. That is why they went on Google and searched for a review, because they wish to buy that product and now they are doing research. And if you write a good review of that product, they will click on your affiliate link and they will buy that product through your affiliate link, and you will earn an affiliate commission. And like I said, if you make 150 sales every month and you make, let's say, $20 per sale, that is $3,000 every month, totally free. You don't have to invest any money. That is how powerful this method is. But like I said, you need to invest some time and you need to invest some work, and you need to write a review for as many as you can of these products. Because like I said, some will get you no traffic, but some of these products will get you 50, 100 visits every day. And once you start getting 300, 400, 500 visits every day, you will start making sales, you will start making money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. So this is how you make money with affiliate marketing in 2022 as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.